How to add friends on Discord mobile. If any day any of you are a Discord user and you would like to add down the friends to your very Discord mobile but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very Discord application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Discord there. After you search Discord there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the first option of your Discord like this. After you tap on the first option of your Discord like this, now you can see that an interface like this will appear. After an interface like this will appear, now you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to go to the option of the plus like icon there, or you can go to the option of the messages here, and then go to the option of add the friends. After tapping on add the friends, now you have various kind of option. You can go to the option of add by username and tap on the username of your friend here and then add it. Otherwise, you can go to the option of find the friends and then go to the option of get started. When you tap on this very option, you have to enter your phone number and go to the option of next, and the friends on your very contact that have the very Discord application will be shown and you can add them. Otherwise, what you can do is you can also share an invite to any of your friend via the messages, the email, the messenger, the telegram, Twitter, WhatsApp, or any of the application that you want. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.